upgrade worthy of a general. Code Red. Heavy armor tank. Need anti-vehicle specialist and precision penetration. Urgent! Urgent!
Chase, we need quiet movement and distraction. No loud sirens.
Target. Cannon joint. Use something to jam the rotation. Rockets neutralized. Antidote must go into the engine exhaust. Non-armored spot. Distraction.
Ugh, that was heavy. Mission accomplished. Now for containment. Are you okay, McQueen? That armor was tough.
Wow. That stuff was really heavy.
Paw Patrol, go, go, go!
I prefer speed over brute force. I am speed, even on ice. Let's put this car on ice. Mush! Mush! Destroy the lodge!
Whoa, this is fun!
Almost there!
We're going so fast!
Stand down, soldier. Captain America? I hate goody two-shoes. Don't destroy the tank! My friend is inside! Understood. We disable it, not destroy it. I'll draw his fire. You stop those treads. Stop it! I'm freezing. Not again! Easy there, son. Warm up. You have the heart of heroes.
Next time, let's go to the beach.
Hup, 2, 3, 4. Five minutes rest. Hold position. Just one lap? Real quick? You broke the code. Now you pay the price.
Dad, stop! It was my fault! Don't take him!
Boot camp is over. Sink or swim, soldier.
Sector 4, unknown hostile.
The city is lost. Evacuate! Stop! in order. Pick on someone your own size. One last belt of ammo.
Look at me.
Did we win the race?
Mission accomplished, team. Ka-chow! Hey, nice legs. All 8 of them.
Oh, my head!
I'll be back.
I'm not scared of the dark. I have headlights.
Welcome to the Midnight Show. Let's make you a real monster, Speedy. To Gotham Square, we have a bat to catch. Whee! The ride is over, Joker. Batsy, I got a new car. It's faster than yours. Analyzing. Super Ragamani mode. Not bad. Distract the beast. I will disable the clown. Stop spinning. I'm gonna be sick.
Did I win the race?
This isn't funny. I've got a bad feeling about this. Why? What is it? Where's Batman?
He's fast. Almost as fast as me.
May the best car win. There's no best, only me. You're going down, Rusty.
Calm down! Calm down! Admit it, you lost! Stop arguing!
This isn't over. It's never over. Want to find out who's really better? Let's play inside that game, then.
It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is that we learn from them and keep trying our best.
Ew, this place is messy. Not good for my wax job.
Oh no!
Let's wreck the city! Hey! Ew! Ooh, gross! Batman! Big fan! Love the voice. Focus. Wait! He's our friend! It's the slime controlling him!
Freeze the sludge.
No! My masterpiece is broken! Gotcha!
Phew.
Call me if you need a sidekick. Or a pizza buddy.
Did I just see a giant bat and a spider?
Code 95. City tunnels. A mechanical centipede car? That's new. We need to freeze and can pause or overload the connectors. What did I miss?
Did I win the time trial?
Some corners are best taken slowly. Captain! Wait, what? Happy upgrade day! Code Red! Weapons hot. Urgent need for heavy defense and air support. Samora sector. Chase, we need the ultimate tactical gear. This is a job for the police cruiser and air support. On my way. Send coordinates to my jump path. Slow down, buddy.
Time for a sticky situation.
Cannon secured. The turbine. It's vulnerable to jamming at high altitude. Prepare the antidote. I'll draw his attention. Final approach, Ryder. Curse those puppies and that flag waver! I think I need an oil change. And therapy. Got him! McQueen is safe!
Great job, Captain.
And fantastic witch work, Chase!
You showed great courage, McQueen. But sometimes, the best defense is to know when to retreat.
Let's go home! No!
So beautiful. McQueen will love it.
Stop right now, Joker! Catch me if you can! All right, Joker. I'll take care of you. I got the money! That car looks perfect!
We'll get him back.
We'll protect you.
Say hello to the city, Dino McQueen!
Stay here, it's dangerous.
Hulk, go and take him down! No, wait! Quilla!
McQueen, do you remember me? Welcome home, McQueen. This is the perfect spot. Time for sleep.
Prepare yourself. Magnificent. We have a code red monster vehicle. Hold your fire. Target locked. Don't let it escape. Move, move, move. I'll get you next time. I am Speed. Forget machines. Let's make him alive. Look at him crawl. It's beautiful. Wiggle, wiggle. It's unnatural. We need to contain it. Friday. Remind me to schedule a dentist appointment for this car. McQueen! Why do you have fingers? Super Raga mode. It's biological, not mechanical. I need to inject a system restore virus directly into that mouth. I'll prop his jaw open.
This is actually working.
I have a terrible taste in my mouth. Like, never do that again. Seriously, the feet were the worst part.
Good team.
Good work, team. We contained the anomaly. My suit is ruined. Do I still have fingers? Please say no.
Squeal.
Cry. JARVIS. Analyze target. Looks like a big red noodle with wheels. Yes, go, Serpent, go! Got it! Must hit the ignition port. Okay, new strategy. Nice driving, McQueen, but stick to four wheels, all right? Oh, well, this is just great. I'm going to get the perfect paint job tan. Time to remodel the city. To the bridge.
No construction work after 5 p.m.
McQueen, fight the control! Great, the demolition crew is all here. Okay, strong guy is on our side. Got it. Joker is controlling him. Why won't it move? Forward!
Why do I smell like oil and rust?
You guys make a good construction crew. Or deconstruction crew. A little souvenir from your evil twin.